Introducing the OneTouch Verio Flex meter with Color Sure technology. Learning about the testing process. This video doesn't replace your owner's booklet. Before using the OneTouch Verio Flex meter to test your blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. First, let's make sure we have everything we need to begin testing. In your OneTouch Verio Flex system kit, there is the meter itself, a OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device, and a packet of OneTouch Delica Plus sterile lancets. OneTouch Verio test strips are required, but may not be included in your kit. Got everything you need together? Great! Let's continue. To reduce the chance of infection and disease spread by blood, make sure to wash the sample site with soap and warm water. Rinse and dry before sampling, and you're ready to lance. The lancing device is intended for a single user. Never share a lancet or lancing device with anyone, including family members and multiple people with diabetes. This is the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device. It uses precision guidance technology to reduce vibration for smoother lancing. First, we need to prepare the device with a new sterile lancet. You should always use a new sterile lancet, as this will help prevent infection and reduce pain. Save the lancet cap for later, as you will need it for safe lancet removal and disposal. With a new sterile lancet loaded, pull the slider back until it clicks. The OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device is now ready. Test strips are for single use only. Do not open the test strip vial until you are ready to remove a test strip and perform a test. Use the test strip immediately after removing it from the vial. Tightly close the cap on the vial immediately after use to avoid contamination and damage. Now we can prepare the meter for testing. Take one of your OneTouch Verio test strips and insert it into the meter's test strip port, making sure that the gold side of the test strip and two silver prongs are facing you. When you see the flashing blood drop icon appear, it's time to apply your blood sample to the test strip. Hold the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device firmly against the side of your finger. When you're ready, press the release button to puncture your finger. Remove the lancing device from your finger. Then, gently squeeze and/or massage your finger until a round droplet of blood forms, like this. If the blood smears or runs, do not use that sample. Dry the area and gently squeeze another drop of blood or puncture a new site. Now, simply hold the meter at a slight angle, with either side of the test strip lightly touching the blood droplet, like this. When it touches your sample, the test strip draws blood into the channel. The channel turns red, and the meter will count down from 5 to 1, giving an accurate result in 5 seconds. Testing is now complete. Here's an example of what your result will look like. Your result appears on display along with the unit of measure and the date and time of the test. The meter has a built-in memory that automatically remembers your blood glucose readings, so you don't have to. Your result is displayed with a range indicator arrow, pointing to a corresponding range indicator color bar together to interpret your results. The low and high range limits set in the OneTouch Verio Flex meter apply to all glucose test results. This includes tests taken before or after mealtimes, medications, and around any other activities that may affect blood glucose. Your meter uses low and high range limits to tell you when your result is below, above, or within your set range. The meter comes with preset range limits which can be changed. The preset low range limit is 70 milligrams per deciliter, and the preset high range limit is 180 milligrams per deciliter. Be sure to talk to your healthcare professional about the low and high range limits that are right for you. When selecting or changing your limits, you should consider factors such as your lifestyle and diabetes therapy. Never make significant changes to your diabetes care plan without consulting your healthcare professional. When testing is complete, simply remove the used test strip, then apply the safety cap to the end of the used lancet, eject it, and replace the OneTouch Delica Plus lancing device cap. Discard the used lancet and test strip carefully after each use. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water after handling the meter, test strips, lancing device, and cap. Used lancets and test strips may be considered biohazardous waste in your area. Be sure to follow your healthcare professional's recommendations or local regulations for proper disposal. Want to know more? OneTouch. Every touch is a step forward.